Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I do most of these podcasts or YouTubes based on the questions I get. So feel free if you want to email me or text me. I'm happy to take these, get as many as I can. I've done this work for 53 years. I was a revenue officer. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. The big mistake that people make is when they owe tax debt for a year. They don't know whether to file their return or not. They most decide not to file because they can't pay. That's a huge mistake. Most of you people, if you're listening, are really self-employed. If you're a W-2 wage earner, man, you want that refund like I was when I was at IRS. I want that refund immediately, get the money back. But no, you want to file your return timely and then work out a strategy about how you're going to pay the debt. That's what you want to do. Do not withhold the filing of your tax return because the penalty is stiff. It's 5% a month up to 25%. You do not want the failure to file penalty. So if you're in the situation that you're going to owe money, always file your tax return. That's the stiffest penalty that IRS hits you with. At the end of the day, IRS can either put you on a payment plan. You're going to get on one anyway. If you can't pay, you're going to have to file. So you're either going to get a payment plan or they're going to take your case and put it in the uncollectible because you can't pay. Those are generally the two things that happen. But make sure you file your return. Don't get stuck. That's my wife. She wants an appearance fee, right, Marie?
Oh my God.
I love this. Anyway, I just want you to know, I love this. I'm going to frame this one. Anyway, make sure you file your tax return. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time today. She's not going to come out that door until I stop. Let me keep her there for a while. Give me a subscription if you would. I try to tell you really cool stuff. Thank you.